Hello, welcome to my mommy YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like it. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Bye, see you.
Thank you, Candice, for that opening. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in for another exciting episode. Today I have a very wonderful, yummy, delicious Cameroon delicacy. I'll be showing you how to make Cameroon bushmeat pepper soup. I'll be showing you as well the different spices that are used in making Cameroon bushmeat pepper soup. We are going to be jumping right into this recipe. Pepper soup is one of those delicacies that's really close to my heart because I'm a lover of spicy food. It's really spicy. It's made with lots of interesting African spices. I mean, when you combine all of this, it just gives you an explosion of flavors, and there's no way anybody's going to hate pepper soup. Come on, guys. All right, so let's just get right into it. I'm going to start by showing you the different ingredients that I use when doing my bushmeat pepper soup. So first off, we have what we call jangsa locally. You can see the scientific name below. And the next we have the yanghanyanghan. That's the scientific name below. This is also really spicy. I also use pebbe or calabash nutmeg. Next to that, we have our negro pepper or grains of selim. Really interesting spice. Next to that, we have country onions. It's also called rondelles. That's the scientific name below. It's really good. And then I also put my white and black pepper. Last but not the least, I use 2 bay leaves for this recipe. So let's get started. I start off by blending my jangsa using this blender. After blending my jangsa, I put aside. Then I combine the yanghanyanghan, pebbe, negro pepper, country onions, white and black pepper, and I blend all of this together. So when I'm done blending, I like to go over my pepper soup spices with my grinding stone. Yeah, call me old-fashioned. I just like it that way. I go over my spices once more with my grinding stone to just ensure that everything is really nice and smooth. After grinding, I put my ground jangsa in a bowl and pour about 2 cups of warm water into it, and I just mix it to form a smooth paste. After this, I wash and cut up my bushmeat. I season it and let it cook for about 90 minutes. So I'm letting it cook this long because my bushmeat is tough. If you're cooking with something like chicken, you don't have to cook it for that long. So when my bushmeat is almost tender enough, I add in my jangsa paste and rinse the bowl with about 5 cups of water. And then I mix everything up and I let it simmer again for another 30 minutes. When the broth begins to thicken, I go in and I season my pepper soup. After seasoning, I mix everything up, pour in about 3 to 5 cups of water, and I just let those spices cook through. So at this point, when the pepper soup tastes right and is almost ready to go, last thing I want to do is I want to sieve that pepper soup. Yes, guys, because I don't like my pepper soup with residue. If you don't do this, you're going to have residue sitting at the bottom of your pan or of your pot, and each time you take a spoon, you're going to taste that residue in your mouth. So I gently take out my bushmeat and I pass my pepper soup through a sieve. After sieving my pepper soup, I add in about 2 cups of oil, let it simmer for 5 minutes, and it's ready to go. Guys, you can totally have your pepper soup without any cooking oil. It's still good. I like to add in a little bit of oil at the end, and just let it have that look a little bit glossy. I like it that way, so it's totally up to you. So my pepper soup is ready. It's so tasty. The spices just smell amazing. It's so rich. So this pepper soup can be served with boiled plantains, boiled yam, boiled rice, boiled cassava. I mean, you can even drink it empty. It's a really good appetizer. It's a really good digestive aid. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned a thing or two. I hope you try this recipe, and please leave your feedback below. Thanks guys. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. Stay tuned. Bye guys.